The WUR-LINK should be installed in the machine room near a standard electrical outlet. Position the enclosure on the wall where it will be mounted, and use the mounting holes as a template to mark the screw locations. Drill pilot holes at the marks, then install anchors if required for your wall type. Then, securely mount the enclosure using 2.5-inch wood or concrete screws. Most WUR-LINK components can be wired at this stage. However, do not connect the incoming power or the battery yet. These should only be connected after all components are fully installed. Remove the screw securing the enclosure lid and set aside. Remove the antennas from their packaging. Note that the Canadian cellular version of the WUR-LINK includes only one antenna, which screws into mobile main. The building network version does not require any antennas. Feed the antenna cables through the WUR-LINK enclosure and screw the cable ends into the Cellular 1 port and the Cellular 2 port on the router. If you're utilizing the building's network, no antennas are needed. Simply connect the building's network to the WAN port on the modem using an Ethernet cable. The antennas are magnetic and can be mounted on the outside of the enclosure or on any nearby metal surface. For the best signal, mount them vertically and place them near an external wall if possible. Remove the green terminal block from the 2-wire connection board. Route the shielded pair wires from the travel cable through the enclosure openings and connect them to the removed terminal block. Reinsert the terminal block into the 2-wire connection board. You can connect up to 4 car stations to this board. Be sure the positive and negative wires align with the corresponding terminals. Plug the WUR-LINK into a nearby electrical outlet. Remove the battery from its package and place it inside the battery compartment. Connect the power supply cables to the battery terminals, red to red for positive and black to black for negative. Connect the Ethernet cable from the wall to the WAN port on the router. PoE must be disabled from the building, or the 2N 2-wire device in the WUR-LINK enclosure could be damaged. Tidy up any loose wires inside the enclosure, and then close the lid and secure it with the screw you removed earlier.